Rihanna, what does it taste like?
Like water.
Like water, yeah. You won't eat yellow snow, will you? No. Do you know what yellow snow is?
Garage.
That has to go in the garage?
Oh.
Yeah? Well, I would prefer not. Oh, you got me.
Your camera.
You know, I think the snow's going to be gone tomorrow. Snow's going to be all gone tomorrow.
That's not raining.
This is what rain looks like in the summer, or in the winter. You gonna try and catch some more? Are you catching it with your tongue? Oh, Rihanna, I should not be letting you eat that. There goes Regan. Oh, well. What does it taste like, Regan?
Water.
Yes, it does. Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Are you picturing me?
I'm taking a picture of you. What's your name? What is it? Regan Girl Bunny. Are you cold?
My tongue's cold.
Your tongue's cold? Maybe you should stop eating the snow. What do you think? Should you stop eating the snow? This is the grass. Grass is all wet with snow, isn't it?
Swing.
You want to go swing? You want to swing in the snow?
Yes.
Do you think that would be fun? Yeah? Who are you going to go and see in a few days?
Grandma.
Who?
Grandma.
Where are we going to go?
Grandma's house.
Where?
Grandma's house.